In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a cell in Google Sheets. Fix today here. Let's begin. Open your web browser and go to sheets.google.com. Then sign into your Google account. Next, open the spreadsheet that contains the merged cell you want to separate. Once the spreadsheet is open, click directly on the merged cell. This is usually a larger cell that spans multiple rows, columns, or both. With the merged cell selected, look at the toolbar located above the spreadsheet grid. Find the Merge Cells button. Its icon typically looks like a rectangle with arrows pointing toward the center. Next, click the small drop-down arrow beside the Merge Cells button to view the available merge options. So from the menu that appears, click Unmerge. As soon as you select this option, Google Sheets will separate the merged cell back into its original individual cells. Take a moment to verify that the large merged area has been divided into separate cells again. You'll notice that any content previously stored in the merged cell remains in the top left cell of the unmerged range. If you need to continue editing the data, simply click the top left cell and make your changes as needed. Your merged cell has now been successfully split back into individual cells in Google Sheets. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.